Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Swindler.
You gotta say Scorpion Society, fool.
Scorpion Society.
Yeah.
Blizzard. Fire Phantom. Sand. Bike. Bike. Haircut. Zoom in. And zoom out.
What are you doing, Jason? I'm scared. I can't wait to watch this. Ah! What is that?
It's called a plant. And look where we are.
In the middle of nowhere.
Exactly.
We're stuck in the desert with all these trees. And that sucks.
Yep.
That's pretty amazing if you find a desert with trees. Yeah, I always kind of weird.
Yeah.
Or with even...
Yeah, this stuff. The most you'd find is tumbleweed.
Yeah. And rocks and gravel. And dirt. Not gravel, I'm retarded. And dirt. Well, let's go.
Who wants to hold the camera?
You. I'll go on the back side.
Okay. If it hits like 4 minutes, then stop it.
Really? Oh, hold on.
Alright. Which way you want to go?
What are you doing? Why do you have that freaking chest plate on?
Do you guys want to sit down on bikes and walk? Just walk around? Yeah, no, it is. Dude, I found like deer skulls out here once.
Did you from ever? That's a snake. No, I'm just kidding. Woo! Over that bush. Videotape me going over bushes.
Okay, go. That was amazing.
This one's 360. Wow, horrible. What are you doing, Jason?
Look at that.
What's that from?
That was from yesterday when I was over at I slipped off the top of the couch and
Come on, slowpokes.
Now watch on the ground and make sure you don't step anything that's metal, because who knows what it could be. There used to be like tractors and barrels and a bunch of things. Yeah.
No say. Bazooka! Yeah! Did you shoot a snake? Here, Jason, you hold him. Mr. Tolly.
Go ahead. You can go in front. I'm watching the ground and watching the camera at the same time.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's go find out.
Y'all wanna run? No. Bye. Fall.
Boom!
Oh.
That would really suck.
Oh crap! 1 more 3.
Here you go. Wait, shh. Okay, it's from the road. Here you go.
Wait. Oops. You ought to show that I was going doom.
Yeah, it's the road. It's Normandy. It's really bumpy.
And
It was like over there.
It's on 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's that way.
No, I'm not saying like.
It's fixing to hit. Okay, Jason. It hit 4 minutes.
Thank you for watching Desert Time. Not really.